Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to create 3D objects or 3D avatars which you are going to use in your games or in your softwares or in your videos. So let's not waste time and move ahead. First of all, you go to Google and write hyper3d.ai. This website will open. This is the home page and this is basically Rodin model. So there are many examples of already created 3D images by other users and they have uploaded them here as an example. So you also can create it and upload it on this website as a user, and many people can use them in their games or in their object or in their videos, anywhere they want to use it. Thousands of objects are here already, and those can be, it supports the plugin also Blender, Unreal, Unity, Godot, C4D, Maya and OBS. So let's try this tool. How does it works? I'll take this object. Okay, and let's generate. It's loading, it will take some time. Let's wait for it and see the magic. Use the lighting feature. You can create images, you can create objects from a text prompt also. So see, someone has created Grand Theft Auto 6. Oh, this Thanos hand. They are very interesting. So let's go back and check if our object is ready or not yet. Okay, so here it's created. That fairy man, they have made it a 3D object. So now it is ready to use anywhere. So see how nice it has done. We can move it in all directions because it is a 3D object. Okay guys, so let's confirm this. Yes, and click on create. So here is our dinosaur ready. As you can see, it has created a perfect 3D look. You can see it from down, up, right, left, and front. You can see it from anywhere. So this is perfectly ready. If you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Stay tuned.